Tiaras and Curves. I'm Aditi and here on this channel we are always creating some amazing good vibes. Today's video is a tarot reading and we are going to look into the topic of what our pets want us to know. What would they say to us if they could speak human language? You can watch this video for any of your pets. If you have multiple pets, just keep the particular one in mind while choosing your group. You can also watch this video for pets who are not there with you anymore. So let us begin this reading and get into our group selection. Welcome to your group selection. The topic of today's reading is what does your pet want you to know? So we have three groups. To choose from. The first one is with rose quartz and this bone-shaped treats. The second group is the clear quartz with this tumble-shaped treats. And the third one is the amethyst with this tiny kibble. To select the correct group, listen to your intuition, keep your pet in mind. You can take a deep breath and close your eyes, and the first group you're attracted to when you open your eyes is your group. Or else you can place your hands on each of the group, and when you feel a tingling feeling, that would be your group. So you can pause this video and select your group. Once you're done, I will put the timestamps in the description so that you can skip to your reading and listen to what does your pet want to say to you. I'm going to start with group 1, and for the other groups, I'll see you at the click of your timestamp. Hello group 1, welcome to your reading. So this is your spread. For the tarot, we have the Ace of Swords, the 3 of Cups and the 6 of Cups. What your pet wants you to know is that they have very loving, friendly and gentle feeling towards you. They are a very friendly and happy animal by nature. They are also very emotional and intelligent as well. With the Ace of Swords, they would like to indicate something about communication with you or with their other animal friends. They want to say that they like to socialize and they like to communicate a lot. They like to interact with you and their other animal friends, and they enjoy that thing. With the 3 of Cups, what they want to say is they love going to get-togethers or parties, or maybe you go for a walk, and they love to meet other pet owners and other animals. They really like to interact with a lot of people. So if you're not taking them out much to socialize, then maybe you should start doing that. So basically your pet is a social butterfly and they love to go see new people, meet them, see new animals and be friends with them. So do take your dogs out and let them meet more people. They are really gonna enjoy their life this way. And we have the 6 of Cups, which is a soulmate card. So your pet is definitely one of your soulmates. They have a very light-hearted and playful energy. They just want to have a good time in their life and live in joy. They are very curious, and with the Ace of Swords, they would also like to learn something new. So maybe look into what new tricks or any new thing you can teach them. Anything you would like to teach them, they're gonna grasp it really quick. Also with the 6 of Cups, they just love receiving gifts from you, treats from you. They just love receiving your love. Also, maybe they are the ones, the kind of pets that bring you gifts as well. Any random things, maybe their toys or anything. So they really like to give and receive gifts and treats. One more thing they would like to tell you is that as a pet owner, if you are wanting something for your pets, maybe you want to manifest a bigger place, a better place, or a more comfortable life for them, you want to move somewhere, or just you want to manifest something bigger and better for them, and you feel like it is not possible right now, they are telling you to hold on to your vision. Just think positively about it, look at the bigger picture. They don't want you to give up on your vision if you want to manifest this for them. It is definitely possible. You just have to look at the bigger picture and hold on to your vision, and you will receive it. It will manifest for you and your pet. And lastly, your pet is just a very happy-go-lucky animal. They just find joy and happiness in any and every situation, and they're just here to have a good and a joyful time. And that's what they want you to know. So if you like this reading, please give this video a like, share this video with all the pet parents, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Hello group 2, welcome to your reading. So this is your spread for what your pet wants you to know. So what your pet wants to say to you is that your pet sees you as their protector. They see you as a very compassionate and loving parent. They have a lot of gratitude towards you and they feel a lot of love towards you. They're very grateful to be your pet and they just love you. What I'm seeing here is currently you and your pet might be going through some challenge where you have to stand up for them as well as for yourself. Maybe you've got a new pet at home and your family is not accepting of them, or maybe your other pets are not accepting of them, or some people around you like society or neighbors are giving you some troubles regarding your pet, and you really have to fight and stand up for them and for yourself and stand your ground. Currently you need to defend them as well as yourself. So here in this situation, in this challenge, what your pet wants you to know is that not to get disheartened by the situation and to really just stand your ground. They trust you and they know you will protect them. They have complete trust and faith in you that you will get out of the situation. With the Magician card, what they want you to know is that they have confidence in you. They know that you have the capability and resources that you will overcome this challenge and you will be victorious at the end. Just be confident and have faith that you will overcome this challenge. If you keep going and not give up, the odds will be definitely in your favor because we have the card of prosperity here. You will come out of this challenge victorious. You just need to fight through this and you need to fight through your fears, whatever fears you have. Don't let them take over your mind, because if you stand your ground and you stay confident and fight for your pet or to come out of this challenge, you will definitely be successful. Your pet has faith in you that whatever challenges you're facing, you're definitely gonna come out of this, both of you, all of you. One thing you need to do for your success is you really need to let go of what people are thinking. Just disregard anybody's opinion. If they are trying to brainwash you against having a pet or something, you need to stand your ground and you don't have to give up. Just disregard their opinions or what they're trying to tell you. Just don't think about others who are trying to put negative thoughts into your mind or any fears into your mind, because you really have a very prosperous and joyful life ahead with your pet. You just need to fight through this current situation. You need to protect your passion, which in this case is your pet, and a lot of happiness, a joyful life and abundant life with your pet lies ahead after these challenges. So be confident and everything is going to turn out into your favor. And that was the message from your pet. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this message, if you resonated with it, give this video a like, share this video with all pet parents, and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Hello group 3, welcome to your reading. This is your spread for what your pet wants you to know. Here we have the Lovers card. So your pet is definitely one of your soulmates. Also, this could indicate that you have more than one pet or you might have two pets. It's not necessary, maybe this is just for some people. Regardless, what your pet wants you to know is that they really absolutely love you a lot, and you also love them back equally. You feel that they are the perfect pet for you and they feel that you are the perfect parent they could have. You guys are just perfect companions for each other and you are in perfect alignment. They feel very blessed to be with you. They think that you are very gentle, supporting and loving. There is a lot of harmony in your relationship with your pet. With the Four of Pentacles, what they want to say is they really want to just hold on to you tight, like this person is just holding on to all of their coins. They just want to be with you, be next to you all the time. Maybe this is the kind of pet that will just follow you around everywhere you go and never let you go out of sight. They're just very much obsessed with you. They may have some separation anxiety when you are not around them or you leave them alone or with someone else. They are just like, they just want to stick to you all the time, which can be a little bit unhealthy, but something definitely you can work through. Also, with the Two of Swords, they might be very defensive about you. They do not like when others come close to you, or if you are petting any other animal, they get jealous and very defensive. So they don't like that. They just want you all for themselves. Also, the Two of Swords may say that there is some important decision that you need to make regarding your pet, and you are confused about what is the right choice and what if I'm not right, what if I don't make the right choice, what will happen. But don't worry if you need to make any choice regarding any situation which is related to your pet. You are not going to make any wrong decision, because there's a win-win outcome. No matter what you choose, it is going to be beneficial for you. Whatever you're manifesting, all your visions, all your dreams about what you want for your pet and for yourself, they are going to come to fruition. So just don't worry, just don't be in this confused energy. Take the decision and it will be in your favor. You just need to focus on what you want, how you want your life to be with your pet, what you want to manifest for both of you or all of you. So you are going to win no matter what. Don't be confused, everything is gonna be perfect for you. So this was the message from your pet. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, please give this video a like, share this video with all pet parents, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.